Best door closers. Automatic door closers are essential for enhancing convenience, security, and energy efficiency in residential, commercial, and hospitality spaces. Whether you aim to prevent door slamming, improve accessibility, or ensure doors remain closed for better climate control, list 1. Fort Strong Door Closer. Silver. Automatic door. The Fort Strong Door Closer is a robust, UL-listed hydraulic closer designed for both residential and commercial use. It supports doors weighing between 88 to 143 pounds and offers adjustable closing speeds via 2 independent valves. The package includes all necessary installation hardware, making it user-friendly for DIY enthusiasts. Its silver aluminum finish is sleek and durable, complementing various interior designs. In testing, the Fort Strong Door Closer delivered consistent and smooth closure, ideal for high-traffic areas. Its adjustable arm allows for precise customization of the sweep and latch speeds, accommodating diverse use cases. The included installation guide and video were straightforward, though installation required careful alignment for optimal performance. While priced at $44.99, its sturdy construction and reliable operation justify the cost for users seeking a long-lasting solution. List No. 2. Door Closer Automatic Safety Spring Door Closer. The Gukyo Door Closer is an affordable and lightweight option crafted from zinc alloy. Designed for doors up to 150 pounds, it features spring operation for automatic closing and adjustable tension. Its white finish is corrosion-resistant and suitable for both residential and light commercial use. During testing, the Gukyo model performed adequately for its price point of $16.99. It was easy to install, with included screws and a plastic slide plate. While the spring mechanism provided dependable closure, it lacked the finesse of hydraulic models, leading to occasional slamming. This product is best suited for low-traffic areas where budget-friendly functionality is the priority. List No. Dynasty Hardware 3000 Alum Commercial-Grade Door Closer. The Dynasty Hardware 3000 Alum is a premium-grade hydraulic door closer designed for heavy-duty commercial applications. With non-handed installation and compatibility with both left and right swing doors, it offers versatility and durability. Priced at $48.95, this closer is built to last with an aluminum body and sprayed finish. In our tests, the Dynasty Hardware closer excelled in performance, delivering smooth and quiet closure even under high-frequency usage. Its adjustable arm and mounting options, regular arm, top jam, and parallel arm, make it adaptable to various scenarios. While it requires more effort to install due to its robust design, the instructions were clear and the included hardware ensured secure mounting. This product is ideal for users prioritizing reliability and longevity in commercial settings. List No. Automatic Door Closer. The Halibify Automatic Door Closer is a budget-friendly option priced at $9.99. Made from zinc alloy, it supports doors weighing up to 30 kilograms and offers spring operation for automatic closing. Its compact design and universal compatibility make it suitable for residential and light commercial use. While the Halibify closer is easy to install, its lightweight construction limits its durability for heavier or high-traffic doors. The spring mechanism provides reliable closure, but lacks adjustable features found in higher-end models. This product is best suited for users seeking an inexpensive solution for lightweight doors in low-traffic environments. List 5. Automatic Door Closer for lightweight doors up to 100 pounds. The Belarus Automatic Door Closer is a mid-range option priced at $16.99. Featuring durable stainless steel construction and a 150-degree opening angle. It supports doors up to 110 pounds and offers adjustable speed settings for customizable closure. Its robust design includes a 4-layer protection system for corrosion resistance. In testing, the Belarus closer demonstrated reliable performance with smooth and quiet operation. Its adjustable speed control was easy to use, allowing for precise customization. Installation was straightforward, aided by the included hex wrench and screws. This model is ideal for residential users seeking a balance of affordability and quality, though it may not be suitable for heavy-duty commercial use.